Hi, I'm Muhammad Rizwan bin Muhammad Jalil and this is my partner.
Okay, hi. My name is Afiq Abzal bin Nuri, and we present to you about operation system.
Okay, what you know about operation system? A computer need a operation system for run the system in computer.
So we focus about Windows and Mac.
The computer need a operation system. Operation system allow the part of the computer to work together by performing tasks like transferring data between memory and disk or rendering output onto a display device. It also provides a platform to run high-level system software and control the computer activities. Besides that, the main function of the operation system is to allocate and assign system resource, schedule the use of computer resource and computer job, and then monitor the computer system activity. Today, we often use operating system like Mac and Windows for our computer. Now we will explain to you about both these operation systems.
Now we explain to you about Windows.
Most of the computer using Windows operating system. Microsoft Windows is a series of software operation system and graphical user interface produced by Microsoft. Microsoft has produced many Windows series since 1985 until now. The first Windows series is a Windows 101. Now the most recent client version of Windows is a Windows 7.
Okay, madam. Do you know about Mac? It's not about burger or something. Uh, Now we explain to you.
Mac is a series of graphical user interface based operating system developed by Apple Inc. The Macintosh user experience is credited with popularizing the graphical user interface. The original fount of what Apple would later name the Mac OS was the integral and unnamed system software first introduced in 1984 with the original Macintosh usually referred to simply as the system software. Apple deliberately downplayed the existence of the operating system in the early years of the Macintosh to help make the machine appear more user-friendly and to distance it from other operating systems such as MS-DOS, which was more arcane and technically challenging. Much of the early system software was held in ROM with update typically provided free of charge by Apple dealer on floppy disks. As increasing disk storage capacity and performance gradually eliminate the need of storing much of the advanced GUI operating system in the ROM, Apple explored clone while positioning major operating system upgrade as separate revenue generating products. First with the System 7.1 and System 7.5, then with the Mac OS 7.6 in 1997. Early version of the Mac OS were compatible with the Motorola 68000 based Macintoshes. As Apple introduced computer with PowerPC hardware, the OS was ported to support this architecture as well. Mac OS 8.1 was the last version that could run on a SID8000 class processor, which has the classic Mac OS is compatible with both PowerPC and Intel processor through the version 10.5 support only Intel processor.
And now we give you some information about Linux.
Linux refers to the family of Unix like computer operation system using the Linux kernel. Linux can be installed on the wide variety of computer hardware, ranging from mobile phone, tablet computer, video game, console to mainframe and supercomputer. Linux is a leading server operation system and runs the 10 fastest supercomputer in the world. The development of Linux is one of the most prominent examples of free and open source software. Typically, all the underlying source code can be used, freely modified, and distributed both commercially and non-commercially by anyone under license, such as the GNU, or we call General Public License. Typically, Linux is packaged in a format known as a Linux distribution for desktop and server use. Some popular mainstream Linux distributions include Debian, Fedora, and OpenSUSE. Linux distributions include the Linux kernel and supporting utilities and libraries to fulfill the distribution intended use. A distribution oriented toward desktop use may include the X Windows System, the GNOME, and KDE Plasma desktop environment. Other distributions may include a less resource-intensive desktop such as LXDE or XFace for use on older or less powerful computer. A distribution intended to run may omit any graphical environment from the standard install and instead include other software such as the Apache HTTP server and SSH server like OpenSSH. Because Linux is freely redistributable, it is possible for anyone to create a distribution for any intended use. Commonly used applications with desktop Linux systems include the web browser, the OpenOffice.org Office application suite, and the GIMP image editor.
Hi, I'm a Mac, and I'm a PC. Who the hell are you? Well, what do you think? Batman's nemesis? Frank Sinatra. Oh, that tap-dancing penguin from Happy Feet. I'm Linux, you idiots. Get the f*** out of here. Shut up, I'm awesome and you know it. Right. So, what's your favorite game? Well, I don't really like games, but... Oh, you edit movies then? I don't, but... Excel spreadsheets? No, but why don't you go and play with your servers, Linux? This is grown-ups talking. Oh, screw you guys. I gotta take a memory dump. Mac?
So we already give you some info about operation system.
Thank you because watching this video.
Hope you enjoy it. Okay, thank you.